Hey, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your brows on fleek and frame your face correctly using two different formulas by the Beauty Boothe. I have their brow pencil, their brow pomade, their angled brush, and their clear brow gel. I've already completed my left eyebrow, so now I am preparing my right eyebrow by brushing my hairs upwardly. And I like to start right beneath my arch. That's where I'm going to apply the most pressure because that's where I want the most defined look. This brow pencil is really pigmented and smooth, so you don't need a lot of pressure, especially when you're doing the beginning of your brow. You actually want the least amount of pressure. Once I'm satisfied with the outcome, I'll go in with their clear brow gel and seal everything into place. This will make sure that my brows will last all day and stay framed and tamed. If you like a bolder eyebrow look, then the pomade is a better option for you. I'm taking the pomade in medium brown with their angled brush and picking up a tiny amount of product. You really do not need a lot because it is actually creamy and a gel-like formula. Preparing my brows again by checking for symmetry and brushing my hairs upwardly. Next, I'm going to start off at my arch again and apply the most pressure, although you don't need too much pressure because this is a gel-like formula, so it'll definitely go on. It's important to lightly brush out the brow pomade while you're doing your eyebrows to reduce your chance of product buildup. For the beginning of my brow, I use a very soft hand and make soft strokes. That way I create a dimensional effect. Before I set everything, I go in again and do more brushing. It's really important, especially when you use pomade. And I'm also checking for symmetry and doing last minute touch-ups. I love the bolder look with the pomade. Now I am applying their clear brow gel and setting everything into place. This is going to make sure that my brows stay on all day. Clear brow gel can be used on males or females with or without makeup. It's just a good way to keep your brows looking groomed and framed. And that's my completed look.